Selenium hands-on session. So in this session, we'll be seeing a situation like how to run a basic Python code snippet online, and let's see how's the response generated in this side. So let me zoom in first. So here it is. So since this is a very introductory session, we'll be going through a lot of boilerplate code. So let's see what a basic code does. So we'll be having a bunch of imports initially. So these are all the imports. So we'll be importing WebDriver, we'll be importing service, Chrome service, and we'll be importing Chrome options and Chrome driver manager. And these imports are used in later operations. So let's see what it takes for a sample Python Selenium code to be run. So let's go ahead with Chrome variable for WebDriver. So we'll be using this Chrome browser throughout this session. So Chrome is let's have a class initiated WebDriver.chrome, and this class Chrome requires two arguments. One is service and options. So let's initiate these two uh, arguments. So Chrome service is is a service object that we have just initiated, and let's pass this Chrome driver manager not install, and let's initiate Chrome options now. Options. So we'll be using two Chrome options in this complete series. Let's see what are those options dot add argument. So these two options are required precisely in a containerized environment. So let's see what are all these arguments. No sandbox, uh, disable dev shm usage. So these two options are required for containerized environments, and let's see why these are required in the later subsequent sessions. But since this is an introductory session, we are just going through a very high level overview of code. So here we have a bunch of imports, and we are having options which is Chrome options, which is no sandbox and a disable dev shm usage. So, and in the service, we are having this Chrome driver manager to take care of this service object creation, and this Chrome service is actually passed in here, and Chrome options will go here. And once the Chrome browser is created, right, let's maximize it. Chrome dot get HTTP and localhost UI- test hyphen page. So we are getting into this link, and let's see what happens in response. What's the impact of this statement? And before that, let's maximize this Chrome window. And the final statement is quit. So let's zoom out and run this. Yeah, let's wait for a few seconds so that this response will come out in this window. Yeah. Okay. Now the response is ready. Let's see what's happening here. So there is a browser open, maximized, and navigated to localhost /UI-test-page. So that's all it does here. Yeah, I think we achieved what we are going to achieve, what we wish to achieve. Yeah, let's see what are all the different test cases in the later session. Thanks for joining. So